Hi, this is Miss Hurd, and I want to talk to you today about nouns. So you probably know what nouns are, and you're probably wondering why we're still talking about nouns in 10th grade. But a big emphasis in 10th grade in terms of grammar and writing is being able to identify different types of phrases and clauses and then use them in your own writing. So before we can use the different types of phrases and clauses and be able to identify them, we need to make sure that your foundation on different parts of speech is very solid. So that's why we're talking about nouns today. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Now, most people are pretty good with the person, place, and thing. Person, George Washington. Place, Heritage High School. Thing, book. Easy, right? Idea can be a little tricky for people. So some examples of ideas: sympathy, fairness, love, friendship. They're not things that you can touch, but they're still nouns. So there are different types of nouns. There is the common noun. Example of that would be teacher. It's not a specific thing, general. Another common noun would be cat. Okay? Then there's proper noun. Proper noun is a specific, it brings more specificity to the common noun. Okay, so proper noun is a specific common noun. For example, I am Miss Hurd. Okay, Miss Hurd, proper noun. I'm also, y'all like my cue cards? I'm also a teacher. Common noun. Okay? So, common noun. Cat. Proper noun. Zoe. Of course, Zoe gets a cameo. Hello. Alright, so the next type of noun. Compound noun. So, a compound noun is any time multiple things are described in either one word, two words, or a hyphenated word. Let me give you examples. Basketball. Okay, obviously basketball is a type of ball. It's a compound noun. Basketball together is one thing. One word, compound noun. Also, a compound noun, civil rights. These two words together have one meaning. It's one noun. Compound noun. Also a compound noun. No-hitter. See how it's hyphenated? Together, these two words, their hyphen mean one thing. They're one noun. They're a compound noun. Concrete noun. Concrete noun is something you can touch. Example, dog. I can touch my dog. She isn't very happy about it right now, but I can touch my dog. Another concrete noun, book. I can touch a book. We also have abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are things you cannot touch. Now, you may remember when we were talking about ideas, same thing. An idea is an abstract noun, idea. Same thing. Two words for the same thing. So, some examples of abstract nouns. Liberty. Liberty is a thing. Freedom is a thing. Love is a thing. Sympathy is a thing. Happiness is a thing. But they're not things we can touch. Okay? And that's what makes them abstract nouns. Final noun type I will share with you today is the collective noun. The collective noun is a noun that represents a group of smaller, ignore that part. Collective noun represents a group as a collective, okay? So we have an audience or a crowd, okay? So there are a lot of different people in an audience, okay? So my audience right now probably has 5 people in it. Each of you is a noun, each of you is a person, but collectively you make up the collective noun of an audience, okay? Another example of a noun, crowd. Our football team is a collective noun, okay? Heritage High School Patriots football. There are many different players out there on the field. They are all people individually. Together, the team is a collective noun. Okay. Hopefully this was informative. We will spend a couple days in class using our warm-up time to do some exercises in the Holt Handbook to make sure that you are really comfortable with identifying the different types of nouns, and this is one of the examples of how the flipped classroom works really well, because you can watch this at home as many times as you want, me explain the different types of nouns, and then in class, while I'm with you, I can check and make sure that you can identify it correctly, and if you have any questions, I can answer them. So, thanks for tuning in to Nouns.